My name is Patrick and I'm doing the ACCA at Galway. Chose the ACCA first because I did my undergrad here, and following on for that I also got the opportunity to get a sponsored master's from my company, and I also had a general interest in being in college for as long as I can. In terms of maybe the subjects that we do, so we get a length of accounting knowledge, and I also think that what makes the ACCA so unique is the fact that you don't do a thesis. You can get a replacement and do a summer school instead, which is obviously less stressful. And I think you get in-depth knowledge into more interesting things than a thesis, things like data analytics and understanding how data is important in today's world. For a new student, I would say that I have a wealth of accounting knowledge coming into it. It's a very tough year. Be willing to work, but I'd say be willing to get the wealth of experience during your year, so get to know new people in your class, because you will be joining with people who you may not be before, other people from different colleges, and also just try and be generally open to doing new things in your year as well. First of all, probably the network, so the people who you meet here, you'll probably still be working with a few of them. I also think that the lectures, you can go back and maybe talk to them. I know now that my lectures I've had now for 5 years, and you could go back and talk to them even now, just get advice. And I also think as well that the accounting knowledge, like I said here, and like I said with the summer school, you get a wealth of experience, and you're going to have that added experience of understanding what data analytics, which is going to become more relevant over the years, I'm sure.